Hi everyone, this is Louisa, the Eat Right Chef. I'm very excited about announcing my upcoming online cooking program, Cooking with Love. Since 8 years ago, I have been cooking according to my blood type, and it has turned my health around 180 degrees. And I'm very passionate in spreading this knowledge with everyone who is interested in improving their health and improving the energy levels so they can live their life to the fullest and enjoy all the wonderful things that life offers. With this cooking course, I aim to teach you how to choose the right food for your unique body type, your blood type, and genetic attributes. Then I will show you how to proportion the different types of food in your everyday meal so you will get the best combination for your unique body. And then I will show you how to prepare your meal ahead of time so that you will be able to cook your meal in a very efficient way without too much headache. So I have this unique way of meal prep, and I will show you how to do all the different steps in a very detailed manner. If you are a novice to cooking, then this program is perfect for you because I will be showing you even the skills and the steps that are too boring to be shown on regular cooking shows on TV or in a recipe. Skills such as how to wash your vegetables and how to slice and chop your vegetables, how to prepare meat and fish, and how to marinate. I will even show you a few of the very basic but important dishes that will support your gut health, because gut health is number one. When you heal your guts, your health will improve and you will heal yourself. The course is designed in a way that I will show you all the basic skills, and then gradually you build up, and then you will be able to put together your own meal according to your own blood type. And in this way, you will actually not need any recipes at all, because you will have on one hand the knowledge of what foods are beneficial and supportive of your health, and on the other hand, the skills that you will need to put a meal together. It's nothing fancy schmancy, it's not a French culinary school, and everything that I teach will be very simple and easy to implement. You don't have to go to a French culinary school to become a good cook. All you need is practice. So I would love for you to learn how to prevent diseases and to become healthier through eating right and cooking right for your unique body type. From my kitchen to yours with love, cooking with love. I'll see you in the program.